So what place are we going now?
We are going to the grocery store.
Grocery store.
Yeah,
So is it open early in the morning?
it's open 7 o'clock in the morning
Oh, that's good.
and it closes 11 at night. 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Okay.
So you will always be able to get what you need.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very close.
It's very convenient.
Very convenient.
Is it rainy season in Ashim now?
Autumn is the rainy season. In October, November.
Okay.
And could also be December.
Okay.
But the climate is changing.
Yeah.
So it will be more like English winters in the future.
Mm-hmm. What is English winter?
Wet and cold.
Okay. Yeah. Wow, that's wrong.
And here
People have
old
breakfast.
people meet in the morning.
Ah.
So
To have a
if-
breakfast.
If you want to feel off, you go there.
No problem. Just to feel, right?
Okay.
So.
Thank you. I think you have been here before.
I had yesterday.
I just remind you of one thing.
Yeah.
The chocolate.
Yeah, I think we still have time and we have to explore.
Yeah. That's in another shop.
Yeah.
But the last opportunity today.
Why is
And
it so?
I think they have it this week. The offer.
Oh,
20 kroner for one chocolate.
in another shop.
Yeah.
Ah.
I would, if I were you, I would grasp this opportunity.
Okay.
And I would even buy for $20.
$20.
It's very nice as gift.
Okay.
But your choice.
All right.
And there are. Okay. Here is. Oh, they don't have.
Avocado?
Yeah, avocado they have, but we need some carrots.
Carrots.
That's part of our daily routine.
Routines. Hmm.
Yeah. And here we have avocado.
Yeah.
And
So how much the avocado cost?
too much. This
Too much.
cost four and a half euro.
€4.50. Mm-hmm.
And here we have to touch them.
Okay.
I imagine I am touching Rufa.
Ah,
Women
I
breast.
understand. So how do you like it?
Oh, they are hard.
So they do have 2-pack, and
Yeah, but they are here. You get more
oh,
for your money
I see.
because you get more small Rufa.
Rufungs, I get
Small
it.
hard Rufa.
Right.
But I want them a bit more soft.
I think the options here are soft.
They are ready,
They are ready.
ready made
Yeah,
for a man to eat.
I understand that. So do you also know where they are coming from?
Well, it says, maybe it says, this is from, oh, Mas, not Chile.
Chile. Okay.
So they have had a long trip in a container.
Yeah, they
I
have.
guess.
So the small tomatoes are from Norway. They have the Norwegian logo.
Yeah.
Mm.
Now we have
see.
Fix the locks.
Of roof hung.
Oh,
Take it easy.
they are falling out.
Yeah,
Why?
I don't know.
Okay. So here we might have a solution. I found a couple of more soft roof options. Oh. And I think let's see if it is the right weight.
Yeah,
And I can do it here.
yeah.
Are there many people here?
So is that the weight? Uh-huh.
That's the right weight.
How much is it? 1 kilo?
1.8.
Ah. Okay.
So
But why don't they have a digital?
no, they don't. This is more true.
I understand. I understand that.
So
Oh,
you see many people here.
I think we are the only one here. Grocery shops are always.
It's very clean and tidy here.
Yeah, and in India, the grocery stores are busy. Is it the more cheaper one or the expensive one?
No, they are all about the same price.
Same
Except
price.
one, which is very expensive.
So is it only catered to Norwegians?
It's only what?
It's only Norwegian. All the items are for Norwegians or for immigrants also.
There are immigrant shops.
Ah,
Yeah. So we can visit.
see you later.
So they are making ready for Christmas.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So there is a lot of cakes and all kinds of stuff. This is Christmas.
This is Christmas.
All Christmas.
Ah.
And here they put
An offer.
For offer.
Offer.
40%.
Okay.
And here you can get that perhaps half a price. Or,
Half a price. That's
yeah.
good.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it a treasure hunt for you?
Yeah, that's true. Do you want to try something?
They do also have a gloves. Is it
What?
gloves, hand gloves in the offer here? Is it? No. That's used, I guess.
Well, why do they have this here?
I have no idea.
Oh. Let me have a look. Is there any price here?
I have no idea.
Power fit.
No, they don't.
No. It may be one of the people working here
Should be.
who left it. But I'm asking you, do you want to taste this or this?
What is the difference?
From what this is what most people eat.
Mm.
Not especially healthy, but people like it. You want to try?